Before you begin voice banking your vocalizations, we encourage you to visit vocalid.co to listen to a few bespoke sound samples. Click on Voice Products and then Bespoke Voice. A bespoke voice takes advantage of our proprietary voice blending technology and crowdsourced voice bank to craft a unique, customized voice for the recipient. Let's listen to a few samples.
Please tell me if you don't understand what I'm saying. We imagine a future we want to live in.
Giving your voice can change lives. The more you do it, the easier it gets.
What's happening with you? Once upon a time there was a little girl named Goldilocks.